This strategy is actually an easy and straightforward one. The first thing which you want to do is to come onto platforms like idplr.com or the freeplrdownloads.com. Now with these platforms, you could easily go on to downloading free ebooks or free PLR and go on to repurposing that content for anything you want to do right now. As you can see with freeplrdownloads.com, you can go on to getting ebooks on any of these niche right now. You can see the niches ranges from addiction to adoption, advertising, affiliate marketing, blogging, business, clickbank, cards, content marketing, cooking, copywriting, and a lot of niches right now. As you can see, the niches are quite numerous. So you may want to just simply focus on a specific niche. Maybe I want to focus on the niche which is actually maybe the weight loss. I can just simply come onto the platform right now and actually search for something related to weight loss. So if I come onto this search section and I search for weight loss, I could just simply click on the search icon. And what is actually going to happen is that it's going to just simply go into searching for cool and amazing ebooks that are related to that my keyword right now. And I'll be able to see some ebooks I could easily download. As you can see right here, the page loaded up and you can see a lot of cool ebooks related to that particular search. I could just simply select one of the ebook right now. And I could just simply scroll down to the bottom section, click on the download icon and download the ebook on my device. Now once the ebook has been downloaded, we're going to move on to the second step, which is to actually go onto a platform called mediafire.com to upload that ebook. Now this is a platform that actually works in a similar way to the Google Drive. All you need to do is to sign up to the platform and you can go to uploading documents right here as a storage space where you can go on to utilize a link to share such documents. Now you just need to come onto this section, click on upload, click on the plus icon to go on to selecting the document from your device and upload that on this particular platform. And you can actually do that right now. As you can see, I already have the ebook uploaded on this particular platform. You can see this is the weight loss and you. I could just simply click on this chain icon to copy the link and share that, or I could click on the three dots right now beside this particular section and click on copy link right now. Now once the link has been copied, the next thing which you want to do is to go onto a CPA marketing platform that has the content locking capability, and that's actually the step 3. So you want to just simply come onto a platform like CPAGRIP. If you don't have an account, click on register. You're going to go onto creating an account via this section. All you need to do is to just simply fill out the necessary details that are actually requested from you, and you can see all the fields with the red asterisk signs. Those are the fields which you must focus on before an account can be created on the platform. You could agree to the terms of service via checking out these boxes right now, and once you're done with that, you can get your account created and log into the account. So as soon as you log into your account right now, you could just simply come onto this section, which is the URL file locker, to create a locker right now. And you could just simply come right here, click on the monetization tool option, select the URL file locker, click on create new URL file locker. You can agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and once you do that, guys, you want to come onto this locked URL section to paste in that particular link right there. You can actually go into the template section and actually select the maybe a file download locker template. If you do select this template, all you need to do is to head back to general, give this locker a name, and you can then just simply go on to editing the details to this particular locker, such as the file name, the file size, the last uploaded date, and the last downloaded date to fit into that particular locked content. Now if you do take a look at this, I've edited that and you can see right here, these are actually the details, the weight loss and you can actually do see much more details about this particular locked content. Now once you're done with this, just simply click on save and that particular locker will be created right now. So once the locker has been created, click on this get link option. You can go on to copying the link right now and go on to promoting this utilizing an amazing strategy. Now to promote this, guys, you just want to head on to creating a landing page first for this with platforms like Systeme.io, GetResponse, or any other landing page builder site of your choice. And you can actually come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter right now, it's going to show you some cool and amazing videos that I created to show you how to easily create landing pages right now. So check out the videos and learn how to create a landing page that could actually help promote your CPA marketing offers better. Now once you've created a landing page and linked that landing page to that particular URL file locker, you can go on to promoting that utilizing this amazing platform called the Vocal.Media. So right now you just need to go to sign up to the platform, as this is a platform that actually creates connects writers and readers together. This is quite similar to the Medium platform right now, where a lot of people do go into reading out a lot of cool content, and also there are a lot of creators that write content right now. So you can just simply come right here, click on join to actually join the platform right now. You could easily go into registering with either your Facebook account, Twitter account, Google account, or an Apple account right now. So guys, once you're actually logged into your account, you want to just simply click on create story, of which you're going to be brought to this section, and you just need to create a story. Now for you to create a story, you may want to head on to this platform called ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT a question to write an article about weight loss or something quite cool like that. As you can see right now, I asked ChatGPT to write an article on the easy guide to lose weight fast. You can see the title of the article, which says the easy guide to lose weight fast. I'm just going to copy this right now, and if I do copy this right here, I'm going to head back to that particular platform called Vocal.Media and paste that as a title. I'm going to head back to that particular ChatGPT content, and I'm just going to copy this as the subtitle right now. Now if I copy this, head back to this section and paste this as the subtitle, all I need to do is to head back to this particular platform and just simply wait till ChatGPT is done generating this particular cool and amazing content. So take a look at this right now. ChatGPT is done writing the content. I'm just going to copy this, head on to that particular Vocal.Media platform, and I'm just going to go on to pasting this right here in this section. Now once this has actually been pasted, I'm going to go on to the top section to actually remove the title right now. So once that has actually been removed right here, as you can see right now, I'm just going to go back to this particular bottom section. Maybe I could just simply add in a very cool action right here, or I can actually add a call to action at the top. Maybe I could put in something like disclaimer. So you can see right here it says click here to download a free guide to assist your weight loss journey, and I can just simply copy this section that says click here, click on the chain icon, and go back to that particular CPA marketing platform, copy the link, head back to Vocal.Media and actually paste the link right in here and click on this particular mark. Now what this actually means is that once somebody do click on this section that says click here, it's automatically going to take them to that particular URL file locker for them to complete an offer first before they can gain access to that particular logged content. So what I'm going to do is to make this bold, and I can actually go into changing the color if I do want to right now. As you can see, I can underline this section that says click here. As you can see, that is actually quite okay. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply leave it as it is. Now once you are done with this, all I need to do is to go on to submitting this. But before I submit this, I need to actually have a title, a subtitle, and a featured image or video right now for this content. Now for me to add an image, I could just simply go into Unsplash and I can just simply search for weight loss. And if I do search for weight loss right now, I'm just going to click on enter right here, and it's going to go on to checking out some cool and amazing royalty free images I could utilize. So I'm just going to select one of these. Maybe I could just simply select this one right now, and this has been added to this. So I could just simply click on save changes, and once I do save the changes, I could submit this for review. Now if I just click on submit for review, you need to select the community which this particular offer actually falls under. So you just need to go into selecting a very cool community right now. Now once I do select the community, I could actually add some cool tags right here, maybe something like aging, something like weight loss, some cool tags that are actually related to this, maybe body, maybe beauty, and these tags right here are actually quite related to weight loss, and also diet right here. So once you are done, you can just simply submit this for review right now. As you can see, it says thanks for your submission, our team of moderators will review our work shortly, or your work shortly, and once approved it will be published on the platform, and you could easily go into creating more stories. Now the cool thing about this is that a lot of people do come onto this platform to read articles, and once they do see your article, they can actually go on to reading the article right there. They will be able to see that particular call to action directing people to click on the link to download that ebook, and if they are interested in that, they can click on that. It's going to take them to your URL file locker first, which they need to complete an offer before they can gain access to that particular content. And that's quite a cool way to actually make money with CPA marketing. Now guys, for more strategies to make money online, you could check out my channel OJ Marketing. I have a lot of videos to help you out right here. So you can also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release more videos. Now for a bonus in this video, check out the first link in the description of the video that's going to lead you to this 3-hour YouTube work plan amazing course. And this course could help you fast track your channel growth and revenue on YouTube. This is absolutely for people interested in making money with YouTube right now, and they are actually giving out this course as a giveaway price which will last till April 1st 2024. The price goes for about $50 right now, which will enable you save up to $150 today, as without this giveaway price you're going to purchase this for $200 right now. So why not just simply grab hold of the course, or rather still utilize the first link in the description of this video to gain access to this page and see more details about this amazing course. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.